Hello, welcome to Charm Sciences. Today we're going to talk about the Charm, ATP, PocketSwab, and NovaLUM 2X sanitation verification program.
ATP is adenosine triphosphate, and it is a universal energy source found in cells living or once living.
Yeast, mold, bacteria, food residue, and biofilms all contain ATP. Using the NovaLUM 2X system and the PocketSwab Plus verifies the removal of ATP, indicating proper cleaning and sanitation procedures are met, thus helping to protect finished product quality. To turn the unit on, press the button at the top of your unit. To turn your unit off, hold that button about 3 to 5 seconds. Make sure your NovaLUM 2X is properly charged prior to swabbing. Align the red arrows on the interface adapter with the red arrows on the NovaLUM 2X port. Make sure to align and then click together. Once the interface adapter is in place, you can insert the wall charger. Now we're going to talk about proper swabbing technique. To run a PocketSwab Plus ATP test, pull the green handle out of the swab body. Hold the swab by the green handle and avoid touching the foam tip.
To properly swab, you want to apply a light downward pressure, swabbing a 4-inch by 4-inch area.
Make sure you rotate the swab and using a crisscross pattern, completely cover the area. An example of this 4-inch by 4-inch area can be found on our PocketSwab Plus bag. The pocket swabs are room temp stable for 12 months. To swab difficult to reach areas that are not flat, rotate the swab on the surface for about 5 to 10 seconds. Insert the swab back into the swab housing. To activate the swab, twist the swab down. It is very important to keep the swab vertical during and after activation. Shake the swab side to side 3 times to mix, while keeping the swab vertical until the white tablet in the vial breaks apart. Within 1 minute of activating the swab, insert it into the NovaLUM 2X system. During the 5-second countdown, keep the unit vertical. Let us talk about the NovaLUM 2X system. The system can be customized with your swab locations, plans, surface types, and surface limits, as well as operator names and customizable canned corrective action notes. Please reach out to your local Charm rep for assistance with this if needed. To run the PocketSwab Plus ATP test from the home screen, choose the plan icon. Then again, the plan icon. You will see a list of all the plans preloaded to your unit. Tap Run next to the plan you wish to test. There are 3 options for locating the swabbing location site. The options are the number key, the yellow list icon, or use the scroll arrows. After a location is picked, it will already have the surface type as well as limits programmed into the system. You may choose to have operator names pre-programmed into the 2 different operator lists. This gives the option to track who swabbed and who cleaned the test site. Once you have chosen your plan name and location, swab the surface, activate the swab, insert it into the NovaLUM 2X, and press the blue button. This will start the 5-second countdown. The result screen will indicate a pass or fail result according to the limit you have programmed into the unit. If the result is a fail, you have 2 options for retesting the failed location. You can hit the circle arrow on your screen and it will automatically take you to your retest. You also have the option to continue testing and then go back to your retests. Go back to the home screen, plan button, and then retest button. This folder will have all of the retests for your failed locations. Once you're ready, hit Run, reswab the location, and apply your corrective actions according to your SOP. Once you have passed your retest, choose the pencil button underneath your result. Choose the arrow button on the screen and you will have a list of the corrective actions you can apply to your retest. This list is programmable according to your SOP. You can also edit while you are on the screen. Accept your canned note by pressing the arrow button. Your retest and corrective action have now been documented. Your retest folder will now be empty. If a repetitive failing result occurs, verify that all cleaning procedures and chemical concentrations are correct. At times, certain locations may need additional manual cleaning to remove excess buildup or biofilms. When you're ready to download the data, you may do so by a wireless sync option or using the USB cord that came with the unit. For further assistance on downloading your data and creating reports, please reach out to your local charm rep. Should you have any questions on the CHARMS ATP program or the NovaLUM 2X system, please contact your local charm rep or CHARMS Sciences